WhatsApp's new AI chats are here, and they're ultra-private. Your messages stay safe, even in the cloud. Stick with GadInsider to see how it works. What's good, Tech Fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. WhatsApp just unveiled private processing, a game-changing tech that brings AI-powered chats to your app without compromising privacy. Let's dive into how it keeps your conversation secure and what's new. Announced April 30th, 2025, private processing lets you use optional AI features like message summarization or editing help while keeping chats end-to-end encrypted. It uses a confidential virtual machine and oblivious HTTP to process AI tasks in the cloud without Meta or WhatsApp seeing your messages. It's rolling out in weeks so you can enjoy smart AI tools without privacy worries. Think Apple's private cloud compute, but built for WhatsApp's 3 billion users. Why is this awesome? Your chats stay private, even with AI, summarize long group threads, get smart replies, or edit messages all without leaving WhatsApp. Unlike some AI tools, private processing minimizes data risks, so hackers get nothing if they breach the system. Ready to try it? Update WhatsApp in the coming weeks to access private processing. Look for AI options in chat settings to enable features like summarization. Want to opt out? You can disable AI entirely for max privacy. Follow GadInsider for tutorials and updates as this rolls out. That's the buzz on WhatsApp's private AI chats, GadInsider fam. Are you excited for secure AI messaging? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.